About this item: dual detachable lens camera, perfect for home security, unique new concept design leading mini camera in the market. Dual lenses are full 1080p HD resolution. Built-in lens is installed inside of the case and you can exchange it with the longer lens if you like. You can put this spy hidden camera anywhere and it is totally not noticeable while the camera is recording. Set LED not light up in use. Strong function. Besides loop recording, this hidden camera supports to take video/snapshot and save recording to SD card manually, convenient for starting or stopping to save recording to SD card. Also you can set to save the recording to SD card in app on your phone. It supports 128GB internal memory. SD card do not contain in the package. Motion detection Wi-Fi surveillance camera. This is a network camera. You can remotely view or record live videos anywhere anytime you want. When motion is detected,